And welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe in terms of my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, there is a battle going on behind closed door. Remember that day I tell una say I will carry details come give una. I know some people were waiting yesterday for that details, but that details was not yet finalized and analyzed. Today, we don't feel gather something. That's why I'm bringing it to you today. Behind cameras, behind closed doors, a lot is going on. A lot. Amobingo sister, when they call Eva, don't stand her ground. According to her brother, Amobingo, will not leave that marriage empty-handed. Amobingo's sister, when they call Eva, the only sister they have, obviously. She was the one that reached out to May Edochie. Because she and May Edochie, it get the time when they agree, it get the time when they not consider they agree. She reached out to May Edochie and told May Edochie that she wants peace to reign. She wants peace to reign. Now May Edochie can't tell and say, she is tired and fed up of this peace to reign. Is there any quarrel? She not see anything like quarrel. What she see is two people, marriage will not work, and they decide to go their separate way. It is not a crime in the society. Everybody will go their separate way. So which war they grant? She not see any war for grant. Now Eva come tell me, she say, okay, the peace when she talk about is not about reconciliation. Now me Edochie can say better, because she don't tire for peace. And apart from reconciliation, she don't see any war here. Two people marriage ended and everybody go their separate way. Now Eva tell me Edochie say, two people cannot just go their separate way when one person carry property and the other person have to start from square one. He said his brother is starting from square one. Do you know that? Now me Edochie say, how is it a problem? How is it a problem? The reason why May Edochie is replying rude to Eva is because of things when it happen. Make una take una time. Take watch this video from the beginning to the end. At the end, I go give una the details we go shock una. So because of wetin happen for inside the Jamashon, May Edochie lose respect and lose that value when she gets for Eva. She tell Eva say, everybody don't go their separate way. Marriage don't end. Eva say no. He say his brother cannot live empty-handed. He say his brother came into that marriage. There was nothing in the marriage. Both of you built together. Both of you did everything together. Now you sent his brother. Say marriage don't end. Everybody go your separate way with empty-handed. Now May Edochie say waiting for carry before. Make your brother carry and follow body before. Abi make your brother put her for head, or make she put your brother for head. Now Eva say not that. The fact is that his brother will take 50-50 for that property. Court case or no court case. May Edochie should start preparing on how to give his brother 50-50. Since when his brother come up for marriage, all of them, they hear, help me with this, help me with that, help me with this. They are just trying to package him. Amobingo na packaging level, like they give him. Imagine a man that was staying in a mansion. Not a mansion he park enter. Mansion when he build with you. Today he's staying in rent. Presently now, e dey woman house for Asaba. Now Lizzie go, they give am shelter when e dey sleep. If not, na hotel dey sleep. After many years, no one plot of land, no house, no car, no money in his account. This man is starting from square one. She's a woman. She will not treat a man that they suffer together that way. No matter what happened, even if the man go cheat, that she will consider that she and that man, they started from square one. Now me Edochie tell and say, very good, very thoughtful of you. What is your name? Eva. What is her name? Mary. Do these two names sound the same? Or is the writing of these two names the same capital? Now me Edochie tell and say, the reason why you cannot be May, the reason why May cannot be Eva. Now Eva charge. Say wetin me Edochie dey try to talk. Now me Edochie say, if you understand English, you understand her. Your brother business is not a business. She did not decide of what your brother will take and go out with. The court decide. Now Amubingo sister say the court decide. They will decide their own. Now me Edochie say, then we say in court. Now Eva say there is no court in this. She is not going to the courts. She will make sure she drag you to your bone. She will make sure those property, you will forcefully come back on your knees and give it to his brother. Now me Edochie tell and say, that will happen to you in your home marriage first. You will work hard in your marriage and they will send you to your father's house empty-handed. Your husband will take all your property from you. And the little one where your papa leave for you, you will kneel down on your knees and take it and add it to your husband's home. Now Eva's okay, we shall see. Now me Edochie say, I'm not seeing anything with you because I don't have anything to do with you. They come court form. Now Eva come begin go dey draw rain when no gree fall. She begin draw rain no gree fall. Now so she go do. Now so she not go do. Me Edochie challenge her. Me Edochie challenge her. They come carry matter go family. Now they come the whole family meeting. He say me Edochie insult her. Me Edochie talk to her. Now they come call me Edochie. Say Eva reports a matter. Now me Edochie tell them say, if Eva reports a matter, what is her business? It is none of her business. And they want to do family meeting. Now me Edochie say, you people are forgetting something. She is no longer part of your family. If una the whole family, if una the whole family meeting, you people need to hold the family meeting within yourselves. Count her out. She is not part of that family. Family meeting as how? As your son's wife, or as your father's wife, or as a member of the Edochie. Why will she be in your family meeting? Any family meeting will now business. Does it concern her? It is none of her business. My people, now Eva come begin to provoke. They say she will go to any length. She go do this, she will do that. Now, this same Eva, when they cry, say me Edochie they disrespect her. Years back, when me Edochie was still married to Amubingo. So me Edochie father, he get some plot of land when he buy outside Asket, Lagos. You know they were based in Lagos. The man bought land. So those land, he dey Asket of Lagos. So they decided to sell it. They decided to sell the land and share the money among themselves. So they sold those plots of land. This one why they talk so years back. They sold the plot of land. When they sell and they can't share the money. When they share the money, inside that money, me Edochie can't take 20 million. As they give me Edochie 20 million out of happiness, me Edochie can't rush home. He can't tell Amobingo say they give her 20 million. As they give me Edochie 20 million naira out of happiness, me Edochie rush home. He can't tell Amobingo say, hey, they don't pay her money, oh, they don't pay money enter her own personal account. So they pay her 20 million naira for the plot of land of his father. This is not now. Then. They never even born Kai. They never born Kai. Now only Daniela and Kambele now they don't born. Imagine 20 million naira then. So, after me Edochie tell Amobingo, they can't rejoice over the money. Amobingo can't tell me Edochie say, make me Edochie transfer the money, enter their joint account. Now me Edochie say no. Say that money go dey a personal account. Reason because it's her father's property. And that money being there is a kind of respect. The reason they sell the land, none of them was interested in going to that place. None of them was interested in building in that place. So that is the reason they sold it. So that money, she want to keep it in case of rainy days. When she go take from the money, she go dey remember her father. So Amobingo try convince me Edochie e no work. E no tey Amobingo sister when they call Eva come. E come me Edochie house. As he come tell me Edochie, he come do re. Come do like say, you know, all those people wey sabi do why you love. Yeah, my wife, me Edochie, you are beautiful, you are handsome, you are good. You know those people now. When you be safe that they find something for your hand, they go they pet you like rat when they blow person, they eat person. Now he can't tell me Edochie, after he don't do what you love for me Edochie. He can't tell me Edochie, say he get wetin he want tell me Edochie. Now me Edochie can't say wetin. Can't carry me Edochie go corner. He say he get one business where he want to do. Get one business where he want to do. The business he just need like 7 or 8 million naira. If it can even be 10 million naira, make it start this business. Very important. There is profit in the business, but she just lack capital. Now me Edochie can say, yeah, now wow, everywhere tight for everybody for Nigeria. Tell your husband now, anything wey fit help, he give you. If your husband no fit help, now fit still borrow. If you know say the business now wetin go profit you, you know fit still borrow, then you pay back. My people, na so Eva vex. Now Eva tell me Edochie say, you no get to take help am. If to say her husband won't help her, will she be here complaining to you? She's complaining to you because she need your help. 10 million naira, just 10 million naira. Now me Edochie tell her and say, you are calling 10 million naira, just 10 million naira. You think 10 million naira is small money? 10 million naira na big money. Now me Edochie can say, if you know say your husband don't get that type of money, why start a business that you don't even have the capital? Start small thing. That small thing, if you don't sell, if you don't gather money, use and say enter this one. Now ever tell me Edochie, say me Edochie, you are wicked. So you won't tell and say you don't forgive her 10 million. Now me Edochie say where she want for see the 10 million. Where she want for sell. Now ever on the verse. But she can't pretend as if nothing. She can't pretend as if everything is okay. She can't say, not true, she just think anything with their hand, she go use to start business. After Eva don't go, about 3 days, Amobingo come call me Edochie. Say make me Edochie borrow 10 million naira. Say he won't put her into some business. Now me Edochie can say he no get 10 million naira. Now Amobingo come tell me Edochie say, what of the plot of land where they say, where the money? Now me Edochie tell Amobingo say, the money na inheritance. Men are not supposed to eat the inheritance of a woman, except the woman decide to involve him. If not, it shall be a curse upon you. So na inheritance, now you dey wait for. Now me Edochie say no, they bring out that money. That money na her own inheritance, which she will never bring out. Now Amobingo come say, so you no wan give her the 10 million. You no wan give her, he go collect am by force. Come dey do force. Now me Edochie say lie. The thing come result quarrel. They come call family people. Amobingo come carry the matter, go give the family people. Say me Edochie don't carry their money. She has refused to return their money. Now they can't send Eva. They can't send Eva. They can't send some other people. Because be that me Edochie is a woman, they can't send me Eva go me represent the women. They can't send 2 other adult people join Eva. And one Yul Edochie brother, when they call Uche, follow body. Say me they go say to Amobingo and me Edochie. As they can't reach there, now they can't begin to ask them, say, wetin happen? Now me Edochie can't explain. Then Amobingo can't still explain your side. Now me Edochie can't tell the elders, they say, now her inheritance money. That is the money when she gained from her father's property when she said, which she believe has nothing to do with her marriage, has nothing to do with her husband. If she decide that her husband will eat from it, fine. But if she decide that she don't want anybody to touch her inheritance, nobody go touch her. Why is this man fighting her? Because of her own inheritance. They can't begin to explain, give Amobingo, say, Amobingo, you no fit eat this money. This money na me Edochie inheritance. As they talk, na so Eva just jump come out. What are they saying? What are they saying? Amobingo must collect the money. The money belongs to Amobingo. The 20 million naira cash, me Edochie need to put it in Amobingo hand. That time, me Edochie and Amobingo still dey marriage. Me Edochie need to put that money in Amobingo hand. For waiting. Look at her. Is she not married? When her father bought car for them, he gave the key to her husband, not her. That is how they do it in their family. Me Edochie is too small to come into their family and be taking decision. Why? The 20 million naira must go into Amobingo accounts. Now so Eva come begin they jump, they shout. Now me Edochie tell and say, lie yo. That money, in short, she don't put on for savings account. Say next 20 years before she go withdraw. So that money right now, they are wasting their time. Now me Edochie come say, Eva, you dey waste your time. Because if you shout finish, you go back to your husband's house. Here na her husband's house. The money not be your brother get her. It not come from any hustle between she or your brother. This is an inheritance. So you want her to carry inheritance. Give Amobingo. You go do her. Your brothers go agree make you do her. He said she do her. Her father bought a car. They gave the car to her husband. Now me Edochie say car, how did the second-hand car where your papa buy? If your papa buy new car and he know the money he spend in new car, do you think he will give that key to your husband? Kasala come burst too. Now so they can start argument between me Edochie and Eva. So the elders now, they can't try to Eva say, Eva, you are wrong. This has nothing to do with Yul Edochie. This have nothing to do with Amobingo. Amobingo not get right to take 10 kobo from that money. So now dear, now the quarrel between Eva and me Edochie started. Now later, now me Edochie come find out say, during the time where Eva take come her house, say na plan, na the planner. When me Edochie tell Amobingo say, they sold their family land and she collected 20 million naira. Amobingo go plan with his sister. Say make his sister come, make they come obtain me Edochie. Now his sister true take come. As his sister come they tell me Edochie say, make me Edochie give her 10 million naira. She won't start business. Me Edochie not agree give her. When they see say that one no work, they can't come up with make Yul Edochie tell, make Amobingo tell me Edochie say, make me Edochie put the money for your account. They see say that one no work, they go carry family member, carry Yul Edochie, carry Amobingo sister, come. say make dem come dey drag May Edochie. As he still come, he still surprised say e no work because May Edochie refused to put that money into Amobingo account. So because May Edochie refused to put that money in Amobingo account, na there, na ever for do wetin shock everybody. While they were busy exposing themselves in that family that very day, now they still expose Eva. When Eva come see say May Edochie refused to give his brother from that 20 million naira, Eva come ready, come say they go spend holiday with May Edochie. This not knowing say Amobingo and his sister, they still get plan. Amobingo sister come tell Amobingo say they come spend holiday for his house. Say his children say they won't stay with the Daniela. Now Amobingo come say okay. Say may they come. He can't tell May Edochie. May Edochie not to buy the idea, but she cannot chase out her sister-in-law. She said okay. She can't come. Not knowing said this woman was on a mission in the house of May Edochie. This woman coming to May Edochie house came with plan. So during the stay of this woman for May Edochie house, and so this woman come to different oturumokbo for May Edochie, different one. Most of those oturumokbo where they tie for under bed, where they put for under pillow, and this woman do amo. Now she with her brother, two of them come the plan on how to make May Edochie give them that money without her clear eyes. Because according to them, as they talk to her, she no longer use her clear eye give them money. Now they are going to use, she's going to use her eyes where not clear to give them the money. So during her stay, she did not just came with her children, she came with plants. Plants where she starts planting things, digging things on the ground, putting something in May Edochie food, putting something in May Edochie drink. May Edochie thought that this is my sister-in-law, not knowing that sister-in-law get plan because of 20 million naira. Now at the end of the day, now May Edochie can see how God is ever. She never knew all these things happened. She no know. They did all these things and they thought that May Edochie would be under their bondage. May Edochie still refused of giving that money to Amobingo. That was how the grudges for May Edochie started. Now she do the oturumokbo. Now she dey tie am. They put for inside May Edochie house. Yet money they not see. So after many years, May Edochie got to find out all these things about Amobingo sister. But she still maintain her lane. No, she no talk. She did her own. But these people are restless. They decided to go after May Edochie again. Yes, she decided to go after May Edochie again. This time around, saying that May Edochie, those property will be shared by thunder, by fire. Now May Edochie fire her back, say, she saw the things you came to do in her house years back. All the oturumokbo where you put and everything. Did you see 20 million naira? You see them for your eye. You not see them. Just the way the one where you won't go do now go still backfire you. Thank God you have daughters. Not just a daughter, you have daughters. That's what you wish her will return back to your own. My people, now the kasala, when it dig grant, now they give us so. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.